Inspired by the elegant Princess Grace in Western culture, it is a stunning oasis that exudes luxury and sophistication. This cabinet is made of stainless steel panel, with aluminum honeycomb layer in the middle for force dispersion. It will not deform for long-term use. It is made of brass for the tap, slate for the countertop, and high-temperature ceramic for the basin. The toilet is equipped with an LED screen. The ceramic body is fired at the high temperature of 1280. Automatic flush and U-shaped seat ring completely fit the buttocks. It can also be connected by Bluetooth and controlled by mobile app. A Gungri towel rack with a sandblasted texture is made of thick stainless steel, which is antioxidant, corrosion resistant and rust resistant. A mobile phone can be placed on top of the toilet paper holder. A soft and wear-resistant toilet brush helps with toilet cleaning.